Control the strategic points to win. We lost Bravo Point. Alpha secured. Securing Bravo Point. Charlie Point. Losing Bravo Point. Charlie secured. We lost Bravo Point. Losing Charlie Point. We lost Charlie Point. Securing Bravo Point. Losing Alpha Point. Bravo secured. We lost Alpha Point. Securing Charlie Point. Losing Bravo Point. Charlie secured the strategic point. Securing Bravo Point. Securing Alpha Point. Losing Charlie Point. Losing Alpha Point. Losing Charlie Point. Losing Charlie Point. Losing Charlie Point. We've passed halfway, but they are close behind. Losing Alpha Point. Losing Charlie Point. We lost Alpha Point. We've lost all the strategic points. Securing Bravo Point. Securing Alpha Point. Bravo secured. Alpha secured. Securing Charlie Point. Losing Bravo Point. We lost Bravo Charlie Point. Secured. Securing Bravo Point. Losing Alpha Point. Securing Bravo Point. We lost Alpha Point. Securing Alpha Point. Alpha secure. Losing Charlie Point. You've got 2 more minutes to securing Bravo Charlie Point. We lost Charlie Point. Bravo secured. Securing Charlie Point. Charlie secured. Guys. That's what I call domination. Control the strategic points to win. That's the halfway alpha point. But don't slack. They are right on our tail. Securing alpha point. Securing alpha point. Alpha secured. Losing alpha point. We lost alpha point. Securing alpha point. You've got 2 more minutes to beat them. Losing alpha point. We lost alpha point. Securing alpha point. Securing alpha point. Alpha secure. Losing alpha point. Losing alpha point. Control the strategic points to win. We lost Bravo point. Securing Bravo point. Losing Alpha point. Charlie point. Bravo secured. We lost Alpha point. Securing Charlie point. Losing Bravo point. Charlie secured. We lost Bravo point. Securing Bravo point. Securing Alpha point. Losing Charlie point. Securing Bravo point. We lost Charlie point. Bravo secured. Losing Alpha point. Securing Charlie point. We lost Alpha securing point. Charlie point. Charlie secured. Securing Alpha point. Losing Charlie point. Alpha secured. Losing Alpha point. We lost That's Charlie the halfway point. Mark, but don't slack. They are right on our tail. We lost Alpha point. Securing Alpha point. Alpha secured. Losing Bravo Charlie point. Losing Alpha point. We lost Charlie Bravo point. We lost Alpha point. Securing Alpha point. Losing Charlie point. We don't hold a single strategic point. Securing Bravo point. Losing Alpha point. Bravo secured. We lost Alpha point. Securing Charlie point. Losing Bravo secured. We lost Bravo point. Securing Alpha point. Securing Bravo point. Losing Charlie point. Alpha secured. You've got 2 more minutes to defeat them. Bravo secured. Losing Alpha point. Great work, guys. Point. That's what I call domination.